Hello, so in this video we are going to see another problem based on arrays. So the problem is left rotate an array by 1. I'll be attaching the problem statement link in the description and also the code link in the description. You can check that too. But before seeing the solution, I would suggest you that try solving it on your own, and if you do not find the solution on your own, you can always check the link in the descriptions. So let's see what is the problem statement or what is the problem all about. So left rotate an array by 1. Okay, so we are given an array. Basically what we have to do is we have to rotate this array left by 1 position. So suppose for this we have 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 as our example elements. Now what we will do is we will left rotate all the elements. That means we will shift all the elements by 1 position towards the left. 20 will come at 0th position, 30 will come at 1st position, 40 will come at 2nd position, 50 will come at this position, and the last position which is vacant, at that place 10 will come. So this will be our output array that we will get after left rotating. So another example is 25, 50 and 20. So when we will left rotate it by 1 position, 15 will come at the first position and 20 will come at the second position, and the last position which is vacant 25 will come over here. So this will be our output array. So we have to write the code for this basically. So what is the approach that we are going to follow? This is very simple question. If you will try it on your own, you can also reach the solution. What we will do is basically, let's see, suppose let's take an example array as given to us. Array is 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So this is our example array. Now what we will do is, initially our concept will be we will store this first element into some variable so that we can later on we can store it at the last position. So we are storing it into a temporary variable. So array of 0 will be is stored in a temporary variable. Now what we will do is we will we will start looping from int I equals to 0 till I is less than n minus 1 I plus plus. Okay, now for every I we will be assigning it as array of I plus 1, which means that at this position array of I at 0th position, array of the value which is at array of I plus 1 will come. Similarly at first position the value which is at array of I plus 1 30 will come over here. Similarly at second position the value which is at third position will come, and similarly for at third position 50 will come. Now when we have run the loop only till I is less than n minus 1, which means that till here only, so this place will be vacant. So simply once this for loop will run completely, what we will do is we will simply write array of n minus 1 which is equals to temp. So this position will also get filled. So what will get the output as 20 will come at first position, 30 and 40. This will be coming 30, 40 and 50 when the loop runs, and when this statement executes 10 will come at the last position. So in this way we will get the output. So the time complexity of this solution will be big O of n, because we are not running the loop multiple times, we are just running it one time from 0 to n minus 1, and space complexity will be simply big O of 1 because we are not using any extra space. So let's see the code for this question now. Okay, so here is the code. What we have done is we have taken a left rotate function. In that we have taken the arguments as array and n, and we are taking a temporary variable in which we are storing the first element of the array, and then we are running a loop from I equals to 0 to I is less than n minus 1, and simply we are assigning array of I equals to array of I plus 1, and when the complete for loop runs, at last we are assigning array of n minus 1 equals to temp value, and then this for loop is simply for printing the updated array values. And in the main condition we have assigned the array elements and we have called the function. Now let's run this code. So we should get the output as 10, 12, 13 and then 15. That will be our left rotated array. So you can see that we have got the output as 10, 12, 13 and 15.